Come to unbox this item. This is weight about 2.14 kg. The box is very solid. Oops. Okay. See what inside. This is DELL D3100 USB 3 docking station. Oops. Inside the box got another box. This is a retail box, order direct from DELL. So see right here, nothing there. The protection box. Oops. 4K Ultra HD USB 3, but it can use on USB 2 as well. Power adapter. AC plug, USB cable, and the HDMI to DVI converter. This is the main item. So front have 3 USB, back have USB 3.0 standard, DisplayPort HDMI 1, HDMI 2, Ethernet, and 2 USB 2. And here is the output, and here is the here is the input, here is the output audio. Okay, so navigation menu. Thank you.